Hello guys, I made a video on how you can make huge amounts of money owning a site, and you can just sit at home. People are using your site and you're making lots amounts of money from your website only. Let me show you some example of let me show you my website and how much I earn from my website just by people using your site to verify identity and some other stuff like that. BVN and NIN verification is that easy. So now this is my site. Now it's loading. You can see it's secure NIN and BVN verification in seconds. So you can see this is my site. It's user friendly and everything is working perfectly. That's it. Bank level security, instant results, easy integration, because we also offer API services for different websites. Then you can use our API services and then embed it into your own website. You get your own instant results if you want to partner with us. This is a company that offers instant verification for users to verify. So you can partner with us. You get our API key, you register on our site, you get your API key, put it on your website. If you need help installing or activating your site, we can assist you with it. You can also contact us. We host your website for you. If you need a site like this, we can do it for you. You get it. It's not expensive. It's not expensive. It's affordable. We can set up everything for you. Now let me log into my site. Now these are my login details. My login details are already stored. If you don't have the login details, you can just click on the sign up. You can just click on the sign up button here. Then you sign up. See, put all your details. Make sure all your details are correct. So now since I already have my own login details, I'm going to log in directly into my site, into my dashboard. Now this is my dashboard. Now look at now. Here you have your normal, this is your regular user. Now you have your regular user, you have the premium user, you have the elite user, and you have the VIP partnership. So all these are legit. Once you get to the next level, you get your 10% discount verification and a 3,000 to 15,000 deposit bonus. You have fast processing premium membership badge. So you can see everything here is working perfectly. And throughout this month now, I've done 5 transactions on the site for personal use, but people under me are working. I'm earning from people under. So you can see now this is the fund button. Once you create your own account with us, you're going to get your account number automatically, and you also have the manual funding, which can take up to 24 hours to 48 hours. Or once you fund, you can contact the technical team. They will confirm your transaction and then get everything sorted out for you. So now this is the interface. This is just a dashboard. You can see total transaction of 207 transactions, and you can see all these ones here are what I did today, all the transactions that took place today. You have your demographic. Let me say you forgot your NIN, you forgot the number using registration for your NIN. Now you got to use your demographic, your first name, your last name, your gender, and your date of birth. Once everything is correct, you have gotten back the demographic. Now NIN verification, wallet funded. This is your wallet funded. This is just a transaction history. This is just a transaction history. We also offer IP clearance with tracking ID. You understand? We also offer IP clearance with tracking ID. This is NIN verification, NIN verification, NIN verification. All these you can see them. You can see today's date. You can see 1st June, 1st June, 1st June. So all these are today's transaction. Now let's go to the menu. This is the menu now. So you have the dashboard, we have two NIN verification page here. The first one is a different API, the second one is a different API. You understand? These two NIN verification are different API. Once you purchase the script, or once you are interested, you can send us a DM. We set up everything for you. It's not expensive. You can pay for it. It's cheap. You can pay for it. It's cheap. We'll get everything done for you. So now this is NIN verification. Let's say you want to verify an identity, and maybe you come here and your details, it says no information found, no record found. We can head over to NIN verification 2 and then get it instantly. So that is why I have the reason why I did it like that. If you use the first verification and it says no record found, then you use the second verification, instantly you're going to get it. You hear me? You're going to get it. Now this is NIN with phone number. This is NIN with phone number. Once you put in your details, yes, this is your information slip, your regular slip. Still loading. This is your information slate. This is your regular slate. See, it has changed now. This is your regular slate, and this is the standard one which people normally make use of, and this is the premium one. Now you can put in your NIN here and then get your information directly on your phone. It's very easy, very simple, fast and secured. Now let's go over to the next menu here. Now we have talked about the NIN, we have talked about the dashboard, the NIN verification, NIN phone number, and this is demography. You can see now your demography. You can put in your first name, your last name. You can also put in your gender, male, female. So put in the correct date of birth. You select the sleep type you want. See, you can see everything here is cheap and affordable for just 500, maximum of 500 naira. You can get it done. It's not expensive. You're bigger than 500 naira. So this is personalization. You can see everything here is just 500 naira. With just 500 naira, you can just get it done, and then save lot of time and energy. Spending 1,500 or 3,000 in most cyber cafes, then they will charge you heavily for it, while they pay small amount of money online. So once you just register on the site, you get everything done. You can also do it for your family members. Get all your NIN right on your phone. Now this is BVN. You can also get your BVN from here. You can get your BVN from the site. Once you put in your BVN, you get your BVN slips and then take it to the bank. Even banks, most banks use all these websites to retrieve information. So this is BVN with phone number. You have forgotten your BVN and you want to retrieve it with your phone number, you can just get it done with the website. It's very cheap, affordable. Now this is IP clearance. Now this IP clearance, now let me see. You can see now this IP clearance that this one was not empty today. Let me see. Clearance stuff. Okay, this service is not available for now. So at times network do disturb. So but it's going to go successful. So that is for IP clearance. NIN validation. That you can validate your NIN here. You have your no record found. There are some NIN that you try to use, they'll tell you that there's no record found. They'll tell you that there's no record found on your NIN. You also have photography error. There's some NIN that they make changes on their photograph, and when printing at the NIN, it doesn't show picture. I've come across several NIN like that. So we do fix NIN's photography error. We also fix no record found, suspended NIN. There are some NIN that you try to use in your bank. Your bank will tell you that your NIN is suspended, that you should visit the nearest NIMC. We also do that on this site. We also do everything on this site. You understand? Now this is modification. Now modification, we also do correction of name, phone number update, gender update, date of birth, change of residence address. So all these things are done on the site here. You can get everything done, just a little token. And these are transactions then. The results are transactions that took place today. And let me think, this is NIN. These are the list of NIN that you have validated, that we have been validating. So these are the list of NIN that we have been validating throughout today. BVN verification. So these are a list of BVN that we have been verifying. So have your API transactions. So this is API, and this is our API documentation. So we charge for API users, we charge 140 naira per transaction. So it's very cheap and very affordable. This is our API documentation. So with our API documentation, now you can use our API documentation and you can use it for your site, and you get all the validation information from our site. We are ready to serve you very well, and we are ready to attend to you whenever you are stopped. You understand? We also have a Telegram channel where you can lay all your complaints, because we are going to attend to you 24/7. We are always active. Our team are ready to assist you, so you can check it out yourself and get everything done. Remember, if you need a site like this, you can send me a DM. I'm always active. I will set it up for you. I will set it up for you. I'm not charging you much for it. I will set up the site for you. You're going to start inning from your site. Okay, let me show you my admin page.